Question 2.1 consists of 7 finance questions that were designed to assess your understanding of financial statements in the context of an insurance policy. You are given a summary of a vehicle and household insurance policy in Annexure A. You will have to use this policy document to answer the questions that follow. In question 2.1.1, you have to write down the policy number of this person's insurance policy. From Annexure A, the policy number can be read off here as 233888350. In question 2.1.2, you are instructed to determine the missing value A, which is the monthly premium for the VW Polo. From Annexure A, the total monthly premium including discount equals R2,184.21. The missing value A is equal to the difference between the total monthly premium and the sum of the breakdown that makes up this total monthly premium. So the missing value A equals R2,184.21 minus the sum of the premium details plus the total discount, and this equals a premium of R1,355.06. In question 2.1.3, it is stated that Bomvana qualifies for a discount on his insurance premiums as he has insured many items. You will have to calculate the percentage discount that he receives if the total premium before the discount was R2,450.36. From Annexure A, the total discount is given as R266.15. This value as a percentage of the monthly premium before the discount is R266.15 divided by R2,450.36 multiplied by 100, and this equals a percentage of 10.86%. In question 2.1.4, it is stated that Bomvana was involved in a motor vehicle accident during July 2022. The quotation for the damages from the panel beater was R43,520. You will have to determine the amount the insurance company will pay the panel beaters. From Annexure A, there is a note at the bottom of the policy document with regards to the excess that is payable on certain types of claims. An excess in regards to insurance claims refers to the amount of money that a policyholder agrees to pay out of their own pocket before the insurance company begins to cover the remaining costs. In other words, it's the amount of money that the policyholder is responsible for paying towards the claim they make. Since the claim is for a motor vehicle accident, the excess that this person must pay is R7,000. Therefore, the amount the insurance company will pay the panel beaters is the difference between the total cost of the claim of R43,520 minus the excess which must be paid by Bomvana of R7,000, and this equals an amount of R36,520. In question 2.1.5, you are instructed to calculate the amount of VAT included in the total monthly premium. On Annexure A, the total monthly premium including 15% VAT is given as R2,184.21. This amount as a percentage equals 115%. This is because the VAT inclusive percentage of 115% equals the VAT percentage of 15% plus the VAT exclusive percentage of 100%. Now, if you need to calculate the VAT amount and you are given the VAT inclusive amount, you can use the following formula. VAT amount equals the VAT inclusive amount multiplied by 15% VAT divided by 115% VAT inclusive. So the VAT amount equals the VAT inclusive amount of R2,184.21 multiplied by 15 over 115, and this equals R284.90. In question 2.1.6, it is stated that the premium for the Toyota Corolla is much lower than that of the VW Polo. You are asked to give one possible reason for the big difference in the premium amount. One reason that you can give is that the Toyota is an older model vehicle compared to the VW Polo. That means that the older model vehicle will cost less to replace or repair. In question 2.1.7, it is stated that this person pays a My Home premium for household content cover to the value of R200,000. After the household contents were evaluated for insurance purposes, he bought an additional lounge suite. You are asked to explain how the purchase of this new item will affect his My Home content premium. The effect that this will have on his My Home content premium is that his premium will increase as his household content value will increase to more than 200,000 Rand. Question 2.2 consists of 4 finance questions that were designed to assess your understanding of water tariffs. It stated that Johannesburg uses the area of a property to determine the sanitation bill, while Cape Town uses a percentage of the total water usage to determine the sanitation bill, which is the same way as they calculated the water bill. Table 3 shows the tariffs for Johannesburg excluding VAT and Cape Town including VAT. In question 221, you have to write down to the nearest 10 cents and excluding VAT the cost of sanitation in Johannesburg if the property is 175 square meters. According to Table 3, in Johannesburg, if a property is less than 300 square meters, the cost for sanitation is equal to 228 Rand 6 cents excluding VAT. Rounding this value to the nearest 10 cents will give you a cost of 228 Rand 10 cents. In question 222, you are instructed to calculate the cost of 4,1 kiloliters of sanitation in Cape Town before the increase. According to Table 3, the tariff rates after the increase are given in this column. This column indicates how much the tariff increased by. In the first step, there is an increase of 66 cents. So the tariff for this step was 16 Rand 3 cents per kiloliter minus 66 cents per kiloliter, and this equals a tariff of 15 Rand 37 cents per kiloliter. So the cost of 4,1 kiloliters of water in Cape Town is 4,1 kiloliters multiplied by the tariff of 15 Rand 37 cents per kiloliter, and this equals a cost of 63 Rand 2 cents. In question 223, it is stated that Mr. Jones lives in Johannesburg and Ms. Brown lives in Cape Town. They both own a property with an area of 550 square meters and each was billed for 22 kiloliters of sanitation. You are instructed to use the table above to determine the difference in the cost of sanitation for the two properties. First, you have to calculate the sanitation bill for Mr. Jones, who lives in Johannesburg. Mr. Jones owns a property of 550 square meters. From the table, properties that are larger than 300 square meters up to a maximum of 1,000 square meters have to pay a flat rate excluding VAT of 443 Rand 96 cents. This value, including VAT, is equal to the cost excluding VAT of 443 Rand 96 cents multiplied by the VAT inclusive percentage of 115% divided by the VAT exclusive percentage of 100%, and this equals a cost including VAT of 510 Rand 55 cents. Next, we will have to calculate the sanitation bill for Ms. Brown, who lives in Cape Town. This tariff table will be used to calculate Ms. Brown's sanitation bill. Since Ms. Brown uses a total of 22 kiloliters of water per month, we will have to calculate the cost for each step up to the amount of 22 kiloliters, which is in step 3. So for step 1, the maximum amount of water that was used in this step was 4,2 kiloliters. So the cost for step 1 will be 4,2 kiloliters multiplied by 16 Rand 3 cents per kiloliter, and this equals a cost of 67 Rand 33 cents. For step 2, the maximum amount of water that was used in this step was the maximum amount of water in the step of 7,35 kiloliters minus the maximum amount of water in the previous step of 4,2 kiloliters. And this equals 3,15 kiloliters. So the cost for step 2 will be 3,15 kiloliters multiplied by 22 Rand 2 cents, and this equals 69 Rand 36 cents. For step 3, the amount of water that was used equals 22 kiloliters minus the maximum amount of water in the previous step of 7,35 kiloliters, and this equals an amount of 14,65 kiloliters. So the cost for step 3 will be 14.65 kiloliters multiplied by 30 Rand 92 cents, and this equals a cost of 452 Rand 98 cents. The total cost of all 3 steps is equal to the sum of all 3 steps. This equals a total cost including VAT of 589 Rand 67 cents. Now the difference in the sanitation bills of Ms. Brown and Mr. Jones is 589 Rand 67 cents minus 510 Rand 55 cents, and this equals a difference of 79 Rand 12 cents. In question 2 to 4, you have to explain how the tariff system used in Johannesburg is beneficial to homeowners in terms of water usage. In Johannesburg, your sanitation is calculated based on your property size and not the amount of water you use. It is a fixed rate that allows you to use as much as you can for the same amount of cost. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to be notified of more videos like this, and you can check out this video next.